Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your US Bank FlexPerks Card detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your US Bank FlexPerks Card, start by gathering your account information. Locate your US Bank FlexPerks Card and ensure you have your card number handy. Next, decide whether you want to cancel online, via phone, or by mail. For online cancellation, log into your US Bank online account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option to manage or cancel your credit card. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation request. If you prefer to cancel by phone, call US Bank customer service at the number on the back of your card. When connected, inform the representative that you wish to cancel your FlexPerks card. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing personal information. The representative will guide you through the cancellation process. If you choose to cancel by mail, write a cancellation request letter. Include your name, address, account number, and a request to close your account. Send this letter to the address provided on your billing statement. After your request is processed, monitor your account for confirmation. You may receive a confirmation email or letter from US Bank. Make sure to review any final statements for any outstanding balances. Destroy your card to prevent any unauthorized use. Lastly, keep an eye on your credit report for any changes related to the cancellation. Following these steps ensures a smooth cancellation process for your US Bank FlexPerks card. By staying organized and informed, you can manage your account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.